and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. This is a review of the consonants and vowel markers, and this is lesson 27. So I just wanted to give you some background information that I may have already mentioned this in my first few lessons, but I would like to repeat them and make sure that you understand what it is that I am teaching. The Nikud is a system of diacritical signs used to represent vowels. It's the Tiberian dotting or pointing system. So the Nikud also represents not only the vowels, but accent marks and cancellations as well, which the last two are only used during the reading and singing at the synagogues. So just wanted to make sure that, you're aware of what it is that you are learning. And also, let me remind you that this language is read from right to left, and Hebrew has both letters and vowel markers or points. And we are learning biblical Hebrew, not modern Hebrew. There is a difference, and they are similar. There's much similarity in modern and biblical Hebrew. But in my lessons, we are writing and reading Hebrew in the classical script. They also call it the Babylonian script. Probably the word that I would like to use. And it's used in the Tanakh, in the Old Testament, which is your Hebrew Bible, Tanakh. It's called the Tanakh. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to go over the E sound, which we did in our previous lesson, but we have an added mark here. It's E as in P, and that mark is right here. So we know it without it. And now we're going to add this little mark right here. It looks like a little comma. So the ones that we know are these here. This is G, D, He, E, B, V, and me. It does not change when you add that little comma up on the top. So it's still pronounced G, D, He, E, it's B, V, and me. Okay. We're going to learn 3 new words in Hebrew. Ra, which is pronounced Ra. You roll that R. Ra, B. Rabbi. That means rabbi. And mother. Ima. For those of you that are from the Philippines, I speak some Tagalog. You also say mother that way in Tagalog. Ima. Isn't that cool? Okay. So, and here is a modern Hebrew word. Just like last week, we did shalom. This is another very popular word in Hebrew. And let's pronounce that. Bo, Er, t, ov, boker tov, which means good morning. Boker tov. So remember this little dot here at the top. It gives this vav sound an o. And this is k. These three little dots give it the e sound, like in eggs. So, boker tov, for those of you just waking up. Oh, it's evening here. This is Eastern Standard Time. So, boker tov to those who are just waking up. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and please do not forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any future lessons, and please see my description for becoming a patron. There are benefits to becoming a patron, and it would help me continue to do these free tutorials. So, shalom.